Alright, y'all. Today we are going to be looking for some fiddleheads. Hopefully my first forage of the year. I am really excited. This should be good. Here in Augusta, Maine, we will see what's going on with the fiddleheads, because it's really been pretty warm, to be all honest. I'm kind of surprised how warm it's been. The fiddleheads in the past, usually I should be able to find a few fiddleheads to put in my basket, and that would be good. Get out and get some exercise. Let's go see what we can find. See, one of the little tricks you can do with first forages of the year is find the trees that were fruiting from last year. So this is an old cherry. It had chicken of the woods. That is old chicken of the woods right there. So in this area, you probably could just scan around. And in season, you might find chicken of the woods. Alright, so I found a birch here that, looking at it, one side's dead, but that side's still budding. So the tree's probably right on its last leg. But down on this side, there's some chaga. Now, I usually wouldn't harvest this, but I don't think this tree's going to make it very much longer. So let me show you how it's done. And that's how you harvest chaga right there. On the other side. There you are. Take those chunks, move on. What the heck is that? Looks like a mushroom. But there's no mushroom. Oop. That is not a mushroom. That is a cranium. Wonder what that's to. I thought that was a mushroom. Wow, eating up whatever it is. Well, check this out, y'all. This birch tree was cut, I guess, during the winter. And that sap. Look at that. Yeah, wow, that's crazy. Wow, that's interesting. It's actually quite sweet. Yeah. Wow. It's pretty cool. Just running right out. Wow, whatever that was. Did not have a good day. Yeah. Wow. A piece of it. That is crazy. Wow. I don't know what that was. But that was alive recently. You see where these leaves are just starting to come out. Just getting going. Alright. Now to go down. So that's where your fiddleheads are going to be. Down in the swales. And you see all the other kinds of ferns. Alright. So we have dead. And then old pheasant bags. Old pheasant bags. See, so you can kind of go around and see what has been fruiting in the area that will probably be fruiting this year. And these are early season. So here in the next month, I could come back in this area and probably look there-ish, somewhere there. See, I'm looking here. Those are ostrich fern. So you gotta look. I don't see anything yet. It's funny, this year's warm, but I still don't see any. They would come right out the bottom there. Ways out. Usually just start going up a little bit, but I don't see any. Alright, so when you're looking for ostrich fern, fiddleheads, this is what you're looking for. A low-lying flat area next to a waterway. And as you can see, that's what you're looking for. And down at the base, it's going to be the ostrich fern or the fiddlehead. These are still a couple weeks out. But that's what you're looking for right there. Alright, so you can see right there. There's a little bitty fiddlehead. So, and I had to go up from down at the bottom there. As you go up, they usually become a little more ready to go, a little ahead. So, any of those ones up there, I'm gonna go and check just to see, just to show you. But yeah, these have at least another couple weeks, bare minimum. Yeah, see, these are a little bit farther ahead, but not much. So, I'd say 3 weeks. Gonna come back in 2. Check it out. Alright, so as you can see, we didn't get any fiddleheads today, but we did find some locations of mushrooms for the season to come back and check. It's good, and there's no leaves on the trees to be able to see through, and you might be able to find some mushrooms you would not have seen before because there was leaves, and a lot of times that's why you'll see them, because no one was able to pick them beforehand. So if you walk through before there's leaves on the trees, you're much more likely to be able to see through and actually see an old chicken of the woods or an old hen of the woods or an old whatever it is. So that's a little springtime trick. Before the leaves get out, go and scope your stuff. That's what I did today. That's why it was only a short video. I hope you all enjoyed. Till next time. And that is the first tick of the year for me. I go and get in the car and look what I see. Easiest way to kill them? Alright, so for real, check yourself good. I got 2 ticks off me. First time out. Yeah, it's going to be a ticky year. Have a good one, y'all. Till next time.